Hello. I am the new. Guess what I am? Guess what I am? I'm a Pinata Dino. I'm a Pinata Dino. Yeah. Welcome to Locksmith Land, the new and better game of all time. You can visit a shop where there's nothing inside yet. We only have a few more months because production is slow. Really, really slow. But don't worry. After all, today we're going to have a lot of cool things to show you, like the area where you can go stargazing and looking at the sky, like this. Nya, 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 nya. Look at the sky. Look at the beautiful stars. I like the solar system, and that can only be found in this one game, Locksmith Land. Anyway, now if we keep looking, we'll find a lot of friends to play with. Well, only two so far, but I'm funny. No, that's my name, yeah. Well, is my full name is Funisour, and I am a tune of party. I'm actually a piñata. Yeah, don't try to get me for candy though, okay? Anyway, after we look around, we will see that I have a lot of friends. Like, ah, geez. See, most of my friends are not here. That guy is one of my best friends, but the thing is, he's so shy. I wonder if we can get him to talk one day. Oh well. Anyway, I am very happy today because we're going to be getting a new friend here today. And guess who that is? I'm going to show you. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. See, I don't have a lot of new friends, but Flavio is coming soon. And he is of Maine. Mainly here to make us happy, and I'm going to wait till he comes. One day he'll come, and then we can finally get some great cooking, for once. No offense, but all the others had to go for a second. But me and Gonzo the Pentagon are all here, just for fun. Until next time I show you the wonders of Locksmithland. Yay! Goodbye.